Hey, this is Martin from Abacus Whiskers, and I thought we'd take another look at our ultimate editable teacher planner for Google Sheets, because we've not looked at it in a while, and we've had a few questions about week views and changing dates. So, starting with this overview page, you can set your starting year, then you can set your starting month, and this will change all the dates throughout the entire document, but won't change the name of the tabs at the bottom because of a limitation in Google Sheets. So if you were to change the starting date, you'd need to go through and rename the tabs. But to do that, you literally just double click on it and then you can enter the new date in. And because the sheet will have the correct date, it's easy for you to see which one you should be changing. So these are all correct at the moment, so I'll leave it as it is. And then depending on which version you're using, some will have the option of changing between Monday and Sunday for starting a week, and some of the other versions extend that feature a little bit, so you can have your calendar view and your week view having a different starting day, so maybe Sunday for one, Monday for the other. Another question that we've had is to do with the week view and creating additional weeks. We only include the master and 1 week as an example because you'll almost certainly want to make some changes to your week view master sheet to match your preferences. And if I've already created a year's worth of pages, you'd have to either go through and delete loads or go through and make changes on lots. So this way you can just edit one and get it exactly how you want it, and then you right click and say duplicate and it will create a new week for you. I'm just going to move this one because I've already got the 16th of October, and I'll then make this one the 23rd. So to change the dates across the top or on other versions down the side, then you double click here and then you choose your starting date, and you'll see it's updated the dates at the top. I'm just going to change the name of the tab so it matches the month. There we go. So there we have our week view matching up there. 23rd of October 2023. Okay, so it's really easy to create new weeks. You just duplicate, and you can do that from the master or you can do it from the week before, whatever you like. Obviously, if you have loads of tabs down here, it's going to get a little messy. So what I tend to do is once a week is finished, I will go down and I will right click on the tab and I will say hide sheet, which just makes it disappear. It doesn't delete it. It's still there, you just can't see it. If you want to get it back, the best way is to go down to these 3 lines here and then click on the tab that you'd hidden and it will unhide it for you. So that's the week view. Hopefully that answers your questions. So going through the planner, we've still got to-do lists and the timetable, and there's also a 2-week timetable option. There's the grade book with auto grading and leveling. There's the planning document, which is proving really popular. It's really useful for plotting out your planning on a more medium-term, long-term basis. There's the communication log, and there's notes, space for meetings. And again, with all of these, you can right click on the tab and duplicate as many of those as you want or need. And then our month view for each month is still very much the same, with the goals, notes, to-do lists, etc. And then each day there's space for you to write whatever you want to write in. If there's anything about the planner that you're not sure about, or anything you think should be covered off in a video, do let us know and we'll get one made. Thank you very much for watching, and those of you who have bought a planner or subscribed or recommended us to a friend, we really, really do appreciate it. Thank you very much.